Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaviarkezzy. I hope you're all doing well. Today's sponsor is such a big sponsor for me because I actually love this company. I shop with them and this has been a company that I've always wanted to work with. Stick around for all the details about today's wig and install. Today's hair sponsor is Shein. Yes, I said it, Shein. They have sponsored your girl for a video and I'm super excited. I wear Shein clothes all the time in my reviews and I love Shein for that. Not only do I love Shein for their clothes, I love them officially now for their hair. I live in Canada and I remember when Shein first started launching their wig, it was available on their app and then for some reason it was no longer available on their app for me in Canada. Go on the actual website, you can see the wigs there. I didn't know that. But anyways, now you know. So if you're in Canada and you're like wondering why you can't see the human hair wigs on their app, go on the website and you'll be able to see them. They have human hair, virgin hair wigs, the long wigs like this, glueless. Are you kidding me? Today what I have installed is a 30-inch 6x4 HD glueless dome cap wig. This is in the kinky straight texture and the density is 180%. We have my favorite type of glueless wig, dome cap glueless wig. What is a dome cap? That is a dome cap. Dome cap is what we used to make our wigs on back in the day. And you know why we started doing them again? Is because it isn't broken. It's a good thing. Let's try it on. Lace is looking very good. And that is how easy it is to install a wig. Now, what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do with this wig? Because this is a lot of hair, child. Let's go in with some wax stick. Then I like to go in with some Eco Style gel. The combination of the two just really sleeks that hair. Now I did bleach the knots on this unit, just so you guys know. See that part? We're gonna clean her up. Use some nude colors. Yep, I would say Shein glueless wigs are just as good as any other company's glueless wigs. They have the 6x4 lace, so I really like that it's 6x4 because it kind of goes a little bit wider here, so you have more space. The closure portion is laying very flat, you guys. It is just as good as any other 6x4 dome cap closure wig. Like, it's bomb.com. Now I'm going for like a lightly straightened look. So I still want to give kinky straight because that's what we came here for. Yeah, slightly pressed out, but not all the way. So this is what it looks like pressed out. And this is the other side that's not. It's really pretty, you guys. It's just gorgeous. So this is the side that's not pressed out. So we're gonna press this side out. Even though this wig is this long, I swear this would trick people. Like, people would believe that this is my hair. There's nothing indicating that it's not. Like, it's just flawless.
Work for bread. You so cold, take it slow to lead. Hurts. Seductive when you look at me that way. Irresistible, but I try. Hypnotic, making you wait. So erotic.
I'm gonna go in with some of my spray.
Perks, and I want you to want me, yeah. I want you to crave me. As tension is building, yeah. And driving us crazy. Powerful sex appeal, but we play it cool. Touch, push and pull.
Guys, this is her straighten, and look how silky she is for a kinky straight wig. Like, she still has bounce, she still has sway, does not tangle, there's no bad smell. I did bleach the knots on my unit prior to this install. I just wanted to put her through it. You know, I wanted to make sure that it is what it claims it to be, and it is that. It's beautiful hair, you guys. It's so pretty, and maybe I'm just getting like really hyped up because of the length, but it's the length and the density. Like, it's so silky. It's natural, okay? Like, this is my silk press, this is my hair, and nobody can tell me differently. You can even be my husband and be like, yes, this is my hair. And because guess what? You can't tell. He can't tell. He's a wig expert now. He can see the knots, he can see all of that, he can see the lace, and he'll be like, I can see the lace. He can't see this lace, okay? He cannot see this lace. I sprayed some lace tint on this wig, but you really don't need to because it's that beautiful. I just wanted to be extra because there's lots of lights and flash and all of the above, and I was like, you know what? This wig is so pretty. I just want to make sure that I highlight it in the best way possible, and I'm so glad that I did. Now, I was thinking about doing an updo on this wig because you can do all of that because you have that really wide parting space. It almost gives frontal, and I love that this wig lays so flat, glueless. Like, you don't need to secure her down because she lays so flat. Like, look at that. Amazing. I'm just blown away, you guys. Imagine if I do melt that down, how good it's gonna look. And I love how flat it got on the top. It's just giving natural. So it can curl. If you're gonna curl it, don't straighten it first, because anytime you straighten a wig, it's gonna always be more resistant. But you can see it does have a little curl to it, a little bounce. Look how silky that is. It's so beautiful. Oh my God. This wig is definitely caviarkezzy approved. And Shein Wigs, caviarkezzy approved. I'm gonna link this wig in the description. And I think if you're gonna get it, get this length. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you made it through to the end of this video, you can clearly tell my excitement is real and I love it. I'm super excited about it. 10 out of 10, definitely recommend. Get one for you, your mama, and your best friend too. Bye, guys.